Hello everyone, I'm Reuben with AJA Technical Support, and today I will demonstrate how to configure Bridge Live to receive an incoming SRT feed over an IP network and decode it into baseband SDI video for use in your facility. Let's get started. From the main dashboard, we will begin by clicking Add New Pipeline to create a new workflow. On the left side of the interface, we see the input configuration options, and we'll start by giving our pipeline a name, such as Remote Feed Receive. For the input stream source, select MPEG-TS over SRT from the drop-down menu, since we are working with an SRT input. This menu has other input options for other types of IP feed, and SDI as well. Next, we need to configure the SRT mode, which is dependent on how the remote server is configured. If we need to reach out to a remote server to pull the stream, we will select the caller mode and add their network information. If the remote device is reaching out to us to initiate the feed, which is what I will demonstrate, we select listener mode, select the appropriate network card, and specify the local network port we want to listen on, for example, 5050. Here we also have the SRT latency setting. This buffer, measured in milliseconds, allows the system time to recover any packets lost while moving the signal over the public internet. A value between 200 and 500 milliseconds is often a good starting point for typical internet connections. Now click Start Detecting Input. Bridge Live will monitor the port, and once the connection is established, you will see the stream parameters appear. Now just click Set as Input. This is a time-saving feature that automatically populates all the video parameters such as resolution, frame rate, and color sampling to match the incoming source exactly. Below, you can see the other characteristics of the input stream, such as audio and metadata. With our input done, let's configure the destination. Click Add Output Stream, and for the stream type, select SDI. In the options below, use the SDI device and port dropdowns to select the specific SDI connector on the rear of the unit where you want this video signal to appear. And next, we'll configure the audio. Click Configure Audio Mapping. Here you will see the audio channels detected on the incoming SRT stream. We will create a stereo track since this matches the IP video stream. Simply select the input pair and map the input channels to the selected track on your SDI output. If your workflow involves metadata, such as SCSI-35 or closed captioning, Bridge Live can pass these through transparently. Ensure the metadata streams are detected on the input and mapped to the output using the metadata mapping panel. Now we're ready to go. Click Save and Restart. The pipeline status circles will update. After a moment, you will see both halves turn green. The left half indicates we are successfully receiving and decoding the IP stream, and the right half confirms we've created and are outputting a valid SDI signal on the selected port. And there you have it. We have successfully decoded a remote SRT contribution feed directly into baseband SDI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.